help you. You've got a guardian angel that can help you. She's called Teresa. That's lovely. And that was half of heaven as well. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you for that. Spike. You can make that spike like that if you want. Welcome to another video. So you probably can't see me, it's just the way things are at the minute. I'm here. So what the crack is tonight, yeah, we're going to the old part of the rail track where I found Unmarked graves, and this is a Randonautica video that I did. So it's old Rochdale rail track. I've done videos on the rail track before, so it's a 95% moon and there's lots of energy. So the this part is well, I'll show you anyway. We'll try and get box recordings tonight because that's really what I want, and we've got quite a walk to go, so I'll try and make this video as short as I can. I'll be walking over Really Dell, so I'll film that just in case, you know, someone's jumping off whatever, which I don't think there will be because there's not been any jumpers this year, which is really good. So anyway, someone's coming now, so I better get a move on. So yeah man, I'll see you up there. So that wall that you see there, it's the old train wall, like the old retaining wall that you see. That's just been there since they made the train line, and this pathway's obviously Circle Track 92 now. But obviously it was the old railway line. So this would have took you into Whitworth, up into further up into the valley. So this video tonight is going to what's called the Plot Pump Track, and it's where this, like the parts of this ends, and you get houses. There's a track nearby, so there's going to be lots of railway evidence tonight. And then we'll get to the part and start asking questions. So I'll try and keep my power, and yeah man, I'll see you up there. There's a tunnel ahead, so I'll see if we get what we can out of the box. Yeah man, it's mad to think a train came through here. Right, so the tunnel's ahead, yeah, so so the train ran in the World War times. Yeah, passengers as well, early 19th century. So we're going to come through the tunnel in a minute, and no doubt we'll get something. So I'm not expecting anything till we get near the tunnel. It's obviously the pathway across roads, and you can see how much overgrowth there is, and how much it'd be like, what it'd be like now. It just looks like a grassy field if it wasn't maintained by the council. It's clear sky tonight. I'm talking this frequency. Tunnel's just up ahead now. So I've done investigations in this tunnel before. Can be quite active. But this tunnel, it's obviously where the train used to come. It's not a station here, the station's further up. The station's on Station Road, so we're going past that tonight. I'm gonna have to share some. I still smell it. Check it out. There's the tunnel. Nothing. Nothing in the tunnel. Anyway, I'll cut it here and then move further up. This is just some underwalk that I have to do. Thought I'd show you how spooky it is around here at the rail track. Anyway, I'll cut it here and see you up there. Well, I'll see you closer up when I've got some good shit to show you. Thank you for that, whatever that was. Seems like I'm proud of you or something, I don't know. Anyway, let's keep moving up. The second point, yeah. This is a Randonautica point once. Randonautica brought me here and I found out later there was some kind of crash, and this was like part of the crossroads. Something to do with water or something. Something flooded. See what we get here. Tell you the old wall here. Light it. Who's talking? You talk if you want. What's your name? Something else around here. I don't know what this sign stuff is for. Some kind of gate, whatever. Let's get some kind of magnetism off that. You a man? You see the old wall, the old fence. It's a funny part around here. Let's keep going. And nothing again now, see? In front. Right, save it in here. Let's have some power and let's keep moving forward. Oh, I just seen something flash up there ahead now. It's probably a reflection or something. Yeah, it probably is. Anyway, I put it here. Yeah. If it's that, some kind of eye shine up. I might be just seeing things, to be honest. But and obviously houses that you won't have here now. Oh, you won't have here then. Let's keep moving anyway, cut it here. See how spooky it is. It's like 10 past 11 or something now. Just hear like rustling in the bushes every now and again. Probably animals there. see, it's like track 92. Look at the darkness, oh yeah. I whiff of perfume again, I don't know what that's about. Anyway, let's keep moving, yeah. There used to be the old Healy and Shawford station, yeah, and there's a Duke here called Joe Bramall. My equipment goes off constantly, K2 milligauss constantly, but I've not got it to hand at the minute, but trust me, he's here. Listen for his voice, he's a man, yeah. Joe, you here? Joe, it's about to brush. Wanna talk? So he was the old train master. It was a goods in station master. I'm just trying to get the milligauss reader. Yeah, I've got hit C, watch. Get back. So that get back that. Right, Joe? You alright? Trains? I think you said trains then. So this is your gate here. There's no gate here. Here it is, look. I think that's like the original. One of the original train gates, I think. Is it? Anyway, you see the train wall here as it moves up, and we're going to follow that. We're going to move up the track. Let me do SLS here. So after where I've just recorded from, just like a gate, and this is a gate here as you walk down. I think there's some maintenance going on or something, but yeah, this is the rest of the way down, and then it's Healy Dell next. This is obviously part of the train wall here. The train would have gone down there, more of the wall here. That's the most haunted bit down there for me. So we need to go to the viaduct, so we need to go this way. Why I need to record stuff, right. Right, what you're about to see in front of the screen is nothing to do with my torch. I don't know what it is, that blue thing there. I do not know what that is. We fuck. Come up here. And this is the track. More of the track here. So I'm back on the track now, see. Track. Right, I'm going to cut it here because it's a bit more power, but it's a creepy walk up the track, no doubt. Old track wall. But it's crazy to think the train passed down here in 1900s. Bridges or whatever. No, not yet. It's just complete silence, really. So let's just have a look at something. So we're just on green at the minute, which is good. But there's a lot of energy in places still from whatever activity they did, you know, back in the World War and past the times. You have to think back then the health and safety was much different. You could just pop your head out the window and yeah. If you open the windows back then on a train and people would stick their heads out and that, wouldn't they? So this is the Twin Bridges, I think. So the viaduct's in far now, and the reason why I record is because obviously I don't want to see anyone up here, really. Because this just means you're jumping off or you're having a midnight walk. And this is all about the trains. I've done stuff on this before. And this obviously goes to Rochdale, which is back down now, which I started. So it's like the wild bird shit just dropped then. That was mad though, because I record. So it's just mad how the wildlife took over. Anyway, the viaduct's like, I don't know, 100 metres away. So I'm just going to roll for out now as I walk across. It's obviously a well-known suicide spot, though there hasn't been one this year, which is good. Right, I'm going to hit the box as I walk over the viaduct, in fact. See if I can get any train noises, anything, any last voices as some people may have took their lives. Right, let's do it. So there should be a marker in a minute, 40-mile marker. Walking up here, don't have to put a quick in your step. Some kind of spring there. 40-mile marker here. Some kind of whatever it used to be. That's a 40-mile marker, that means 40 miles to Manchester. You probably know that. Losing the frequency. You want to communicate? What you're about to see really lifted my spirits, and it really helps promote suicide awareness. As you can see, there's no CCTV, and you know, it's about time people start taking this place seriously when it comes to suicide spots, and someone has been doing. It's Lancashire Railway, that LYR. Fade up scorching. This is where you'd walk up. Near the River Arch. What time is it? 25 to 12. Down below the old tram line. There's no spikes. I don't expect there to be neither. And this is where the train had passed. It's crazy that you think that you come up here. That's what really pretty cool me to look at if you ever come up here. One in the life of people that listen. Thank you, whoever that was. Samaritans, more Samaritan signs. Hope they knew. Love some fair, see. Who did that? I don't know. More, see. You have a reason, see. What's it say? Oh shit. Never gonna give you up. Never gonna let you down. It's a song, innit? Never gonna make you cry. You're gonna tell a lie. Please don't end your life. You have the most potential. So much to live for. So that's the message, really. If anyone wants to come up to the bridge, you'll be met by all this. Look, every flower blow. Whoever's doing this is brilliant. Look, more. Believe. I think it's a primary school doing this. It's absolutely brilliant. Even in the darkest times, the sun will rise. Beautiful, beautiful. What's we got? This is light at the end of the tunnel. Yeah? What's it say? We love you. More. See? It's all over. Brilliant. What's we got? Every flower blooms. The ones who say you can't, and the ones who say you probably won't, and the ones scared that you will. Right, brilliant. It's absolutely fantastic. Let's have a look at the last one. Don't lose hope when the sun goes down. We don't until it's about to brush, do we? So that's made my day, that. So this wouldn't have been here, this fence. You had that, just that finger, pretty quick as the train came over. Right, it's going to get incredibly dark, so I've got to try and manage my power. But this is not one spike actually. This is that's interesting. Right, anyway, I'm going to cut it here, save some power. Old train wall, and there's like some kind of station thing down here. These are either the spirits talking or it's them from the past. Either way, it's in the white noise. See the wall here, look. And then there's another wall back there, I don't know if you can see it. Just where the torch is there, so that would have been, you know. That's probably where it stopped. Maybe passengers waited on the platform here. Right, it's not far now. Yeah, walking these round here. It's just footpaths now, but that goes down to the River Spodden. And I'm going straight down to the pot pump track, which ain't far now. Right in the dark part of Whitworth. Yeah, man. Let's keep walking. If you're wondering where I am, this should help. So this is in Whitworth, the plot pump track that you're looking at there. Just zoom right in. It's a public footpath now, and it's like a little bridge that goes over. You see the crossroad in the bridge there. That's where I am, just underneath. Sorry. I think it's that light there, so there should be a bridge. There should be a bridge ahead. You probably just see it in the thingy screen, or it might not be. No, I don't think it is. Wait, it is actually. Right, K2 on green there. That's going to change as we go up here. So the unmarked graves are to the right hand side, and I think it's something to do with World War II times me. Or someone might have been thrown off a bridge or whatever. I'm still on green. I came up here playing Randonautica, and
Hey, traffic!
there it is.
What's wrong?
We're after you. Watch. You want to come to this device? Right. I need to get the book out, yeah.
This is Dale.
Just putting down 2 cat balls so they can flash them if they want to. Right, this will work this time because it's on a flat surface. You want to come and communicate?
Separates the...
So I was getting a lot of spikes last time I came here, so just probably have to entice the activity a little bit.
Bye again.
Into this device.
Remember that?
Power attack by Detroit.
Right, in here.
Started scanning.
Come and leave some words in this device if you want.
Carry on.
Carry on. I will do, yeah. Can you make them balls flash? See that you're here. What else can you say?
Beach.
Beach. Is that where you want to go? What's your name? You from the war?
Nancy.
Nancy. Well, you female? Hi Nancy, my name's Basil Brush. Can you come and set one of these balls off that I've left on the floor? There's one there and there's one there.
Wings.
Wings. Are you an angel? Thank you for that. Are you a train driver?
And.
What did it say? Band.
There are two ways.
There's two ways, yeah.
Fear.
Fear. Who's scared? What were you wearing, intern? What year do you think it is?
Nobody.
Michael.
Michael. Hi Michael. My name's Basil. I've come to help you if you need it. Why have you not gone to heaven?
Religion.
Religion. Are you not religious?
Here's a question.
I'm religious. I can help you. I've got a guardian angel that can help you. She's called Teresa. That's lovely. And that was half of heaven as well. Absolutely brilliant. Thank you for that.
Spike.
Spike. You can make that spike like that if you want. What about that one? That one's not gone off.
So.
Dave.
What's it called? More ball flashes. Thank you for that. Thank you. Thank you for them flashes. More flashes.
People.
People. How many? There are people, I can hear them. More flashes. Thank you for that. Right, let me stop this.
Window.
Window. Train window. Right, let's try the ghost talker.
Scanning stopped.
That was good, that. I like that one.
What's your shit?
Right, one word I don't want to say is obligation in this. 'Cause it always says it. Come and choose some words in this if you want. It's a talker. It's new.
Computer.
Computer, yeah. Got a green pen here too. You see it? see what we get on the cam. Come and leave a message in this device if you want. Ball flashes. Thank you for that. That was me, that. Nice. Got K2 then. K2 read. With a message. What's a message? That's a big message, this. And ball flashes. Thank you for that. Rough possibility. I can't make out what that word says. Changes might is whilst the trigger. Thank you for that. Want to draw a picture? The Vox is playing up, so I just have to do a normal camera. What do you mean by 7? Is that how old you are? Is that just asked? What happened to you? And they said 7. Look at that. Look at it. Look at it moving. And that's moving too. Thank you for that. 0 what? 70? Is that the train? It moving. Sacred. Right, let's shoot on the box as I'm going now. So these are just some of the words that came through. 80, Nathan, wisdom, and you can see the centre line. But I'm running out of power now, so it's time for me to go. So I have to go now, but I'm going to come back and see you. There was obviously more than one person. They could be talking about others, but thank you. Teresa, are you here? Can you give me a sign that you're here, Teresa?
Hi.
Hi. Oh, hi, Teresa, you alright? Eat.
I'm David.
Yes, Teresa, you alright? Right, so anyway, it's time to go under this tunnel. We've captured some amazing evidence. K2 spikes. I need power 2. Right. Let's get 2 spikes tonight in this tunnel. Peter. Hi, Peter. My name's Bob.
He says.
Anyway, got some good evidence tonight, and it's time to go. So from me and this Aiden. Hi Aiden, you alright? So from Peter, Aiden, Nathan, who else we got? David. Some female, which is probably Teresa, and Nancy. Anyway, it's been a good one. It's going to be a long walk back though. Nick. Could be Saint Nick. You never know, do you? Anyway, peace for now. And nice speaking spirits. See you soon. Peace. So it said sacred. Actually. What's sacred? David. Do you mean David? My brother? What's his second name? Up. David did go up, yeah.
Abyss.
Abyss. You can see that live sensor. That's true, that, 'cause it's coming off the K2 reader. Abyss. Right, I'm going to have to stop it here, yeah. I've run out of power, so I'm going to have to stop it. Phantom. Phantom. Right, I'm going to have to go now. So it's lovely talking to you. I'm running out of power now. So if you could flash that ball one more time, that'd be great.
Wisdom.
It's wisdom. Right, I'm going to have to go now, guys. I'm sure there's a white flash at the side of my head. Right, yeah, man, it's time to go. I'm running out of power. So, right, Spirits, it's time for me to go now. So thanks. I'll have to come back with full power if it's alright. Right under this bridge.